So can a beginner learn to ollie on their first day? Wait, are you scared?
No.
1, 2, 3. All right, guys, today we're here with
Rylan.
And Rylan is gonna try and learn to do a
ollie.
And it's his
first day
of riding a
skateboard.
Wow, you're really good at that. You're hired. Okay, so it's Rylan's very first day riding a skateboard. If you have not seen the other previous videos, we have both learned how to ride and
180.
A shove it. And now we're gonna see, can a beginner, can you learn how to ollie on your first day? Okay, so first thing, do you even know what an ollie is?
Yes.
What?
It's like you kick it back midair and then you slide your foot up so it wears off the right side of your shoe.
And then?
And then you like bring it up into the air.
Okay, yeah, that's right, correct.
He's watched your videos, I guarantee.
He has watched my videos. It's an unfair advantage if you watched all my videos to be able to ollie on your first day. Okay, step 1, back foot. Now, remember what I was telling you about the balls of your feet?
Yeah.
Now it's vital, balls of your feet, okay? Get on them balls. Okay, now push your back foot to the ground like this. Boom.
Boom.
Good, but there's a one thing, detrimental mistake. This is your heel, that's the ball of your foot. You want to push with the ball of your foot down because that's how you're going to pop. It's not your whole foot. Okay, again. Okay, we're going to do this 5 times.
5 times in a row?
This is called practice step number 1. Practice step number 1 is that. Do it again. Okay, do it again. Okay, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. This is too easy. This is too easy. Okay, now this practice step has some controversy. Some people think it's not correct, but you're gonna stand on the board and you're gonna drag your foot up like that. These shoes are not the best for this.
What? Converse?
Yeah, because this is not suede. It's a canvas, but you should still be able to do it. So stand there, drag your foot up. Stand on the back foot, drag it up. Okay, more, further, further. Again. I want to teach skateboarding. I'm thinking about getting like a full drill sergeant uniform and just like teaching it like a drill sergeant.
Yeah!
Drop down and give me 50 push-ups!
Yes, sergeant!
Okay, do it again. Again. Now there's something wrong here. Put your foot on the board. You're dragging here. That's your toe. We're not trying to kick flip. We're trying to ollie here. That part. Again. Okay, now this is called practice step number 2. What we're gonna do is practice step number 1 and then 2 in a row. I know, crazy. Go. 1, 2. Up. 1, 2.
It's like the whole like dragging your foot up as you're going down or whatever.
Drag your foot up as you're going down. But it's not even, okay, for this, it's very slow. 1 and then 2. So 1, 2. Drag, yeah, good. Because the hardest thing on the ollie for a beginner is the timing. It's when do you do 1 and when do you do 2. So 1 and then 2.
1 and then 2.
2, exactly. So now, we'll do a little drill here. Another little practice step.
Yes,
just
sir.
ride and just sort of give it a little hop. Good, now do it with a little bit of tail up in the air. Just a little bit. Okay. Good, we'll take it. Now, so I'm gonna put my front foot in the middle of that board. Practice step 1, 2. Okay, go. 1, 2. Okay, good. Now, we're gonna go 1, then 2. Chloe, I think he's gonna do it.
I know, I think so.
Okay, 1 and then 2. Good, now on that one,
jump.
you just did 1 and then you did nothing, you just stepped under the ground. It's tricky because you have to, you do have to jump those feet in there. Those feet need to go up in the air. Good, do it again. Good, now with your back foot, it's really weird. I'll show you a shot in super slow motion, but your back ankle is popping like that.
Yeah.
You're jumping and then your front foot rises. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna show you in slow motion what that looks like. So you can see. Good, so your back foot, see how your heel is down?
Yeah.
You need to jump with your toe.
Jump with my toe.
Yeah, but you see how your wheels did get up into the air there?
Yeah.
You're really close. All that's off is your timing. It's the timing between when your board hits and when your foot drags up.
All right, cool.
So 1 and then 2. Okay, you're right there. So Chloe taught me this. She said for beginner skateboarders, you gotta do the gallop. Like that, go ahead. Again.
I've ridden a horse, bro.
Yeah, like a horse.
Yeah.
So the idea is your back foot pops, your front foot rises. Gallop, gallop, gallop.
Okay.
Land that ollie. Okay, ollie. Wait, are you scared?
No.
He looks a little scared. There it is. Okay, you're actually so close right there. Just some very, very minor adjustments and you got it. Keep your back foot on. Come on now. Okay, watch. So your back foot pops and your front foot shouldn't start dragging until about now. And your front foot is done dragging there. So it's back and then the front. So 1 and then 2. Okay. Wait, there's a pause. When your foot position, it's like here. Look at my back foot. You see that? My toe is gonna push down and pop that. Your foot position is like this. That's gonna be so hard. So your balance point is your toes. You wanna be up on your toes. And same with my front there. I have basically the ball of my foot is like right here. It's in that sweet spot, right? Nice flat spot on the board. And then I'm gonna pop it and I'm gonna drag that foot up. So go ahead. Good. Okay, you're close. Okay, now we're gonna do more. All it is practice step 1 and 2. You get those down, put it together, you're there. We're gonna do this. All the way, drag it all the way up. Stand on the board, drag your foot. All the way, hit my hand, hit my hand, hit my hand, hit my hand, hit my hand. Okay, 1, 2, put a hole in the shoe. 3, 4, 5. Okay, hop and then do that. Okay, good, get in there.
Come on, I got it this time, all right?
Better, closer.
Yeah, because I felt my foot drag.
Good, now it's all that timing after you pop. Come on now, you got it. Okay, okay. Guess how long it took me to learn this one?
How long?
6 months. He's like, poser, you're a poser. I'll get this in 6 minutes. Unfortunately, when I was your age, BrailleSkateboarding.com did not exist. Okay, let's go, boy. Are you getting frustrated?
Yeah, I am.
You're scared.
I'm not scared.
It's close. You know what you're doing wrong?
What?
You're not dragging. Push that front foot up. Do practice step 1, and then 2. 1, go 1, 2. But really do 2. You're not really doing 2.
Yeah, 2's like the hard part.
Drag it. Stand on the board still. Do 1, now 2. Do it again. 1, 2. Okay, I got an idea. I know what we're gonna do because he's so scared.
I'm not scared.
Come over here. Or this guy, this is your friend, the bar. You're gonna stand facing it, feet on there. You're gonna do an ollie. Good, it's good to practice like this because you're safe. Because you have your hands holding you. Good. Back foot, ball of your foot there. There you go. Good. That is what's helping you, that's the key. Back foot on the tail, toes. You kick it kind of like this. But the motion that you have to drill in is this. It's a very unnatural motion, that one. Good, that's close. Good. Good. So wait longer. 1 and then wait and then 2. And go 2 as much as you can. Give it a pause.
I didn't fall.
Finally, we got a slam.
I didn't slam. Did I touch that? No.
Okay, you got it. Come on now, you got it.
Okay, yeah, I'm done practicing on that.
You got the idea of it though?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it, bro.
Yeah, I do.
You just gotta wait till the tail pops. It's a timing thing.
Till the tail pops.
Yeah. Like that's why the gallop is the thing. Because the back foot goes down, then the front foot's coming up. Put up. You're kind of doing it at the same time like this, which is not gonna lift you at all. It's 1 and then 2. Yeah. And jump. There you go, but 2, your front foot's gotta come later. Here, I'm gonna hold you up. I'm gonna pull you into the air and you're gonna jump like a Superman. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. 1, then 2, and rise. Yeah.
There we go.
You're getting it. Even later with your front foot. Wait, even later. Look at this though. Look at this.
Yeah.
Hey Mom, my first hole in my shoe. Okay, you got this.
Yeah, I do.
5 more tries. 1, you got it. 2, oh, it's so close. Stay on there. 3, I mean, I don't know. This is where we use ultra slow-mo sequence to see, did the wheels all get into the air? What do you think?
Yeah, but I can do better.
He said, yeah, but I can do better.
That's an ollie though, brother.
That's an ollie though, brother. He got one. See, if you have more drag of the foot, the board will rise higher, yeah? And you gotta bend both knees up. Come on.
So exhausting.
You tired?
No.
You scared?
No.
Okay, that was it.
Really?
That was it. Did you see it, Aaron?
No, I missed it.
All 4 wheels off the ground.
Do it again.
Okay.
It's so funny.
Huh?
You're so close.
Yeah, I'm
It's
so
like
close.
you just have to listen and do exactly what I'm saying. Wait. When you hit your back foot, wait. And then your front foot goes.
How long do I wait?
A lot, like for you, just think like a lot longer. Because you're doing it almost like this is before this. So like wait until that tail hits the ground, then drag your foot up.
Okay.
It's really in the real world, it's a split second, but I know the way you're doing it, just think of it like as long as you can possibly wait. Okay, I got the angle now, get a good one.
Woo!
Okay, I think that was it.
That was bad.
Now you're ollieing.
Oh
moving.
boy!
No, I didn't. That was trash. Oh, sweet.
He said, no, I didn't, that was trash. Then he said, oh, sweet. I mean, we are like millimeters in the air, but we're in the air.
Yeah.
We're in the air.
We are in the air! So, but you notice there,
Nah, everyone must-
all you gotta do is drag that front foot up higher, straight up into the universe rocket ship, up into the space station. Okay, this is what I always had to do with Lance. I'm gonna over exaggerate the motions. Stand with your back foot on that board. Back foot, stand on there. Front foot, drag up and kick my hand.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, not my face, the hand. Okay, 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. That is the level of how far I want you to drag.
Okay.
Just as far as you can possibly go. We're gonna exaggerate it because it keeps way undercutting it. Come on, kick the hand, bro. The hand, kick the hand.
That was a good one to end on.
I did it?
You did it.
Yeah, it's interesting. So on that one, you're
No
holding.
way. I actually forgot that.
You're just holding your foot down. You're actually holding the board down with your back foot because you didn't jump.
Okay.
We're gonna do 5 more. But you gotta jump, yeah? Both feet up into the air. 1. Okay, that was better. Make sure the tail hits the ground and you jump, yeah?
Yeah.
3.
Was that good?
Now you're doing the same thing. You're holding it down, but you got the motions.
Yeah, next time we come back out here, I'll have one of your boards and I'll be ready.
Okay, you made so much progress. That was amazing.
Yeah.
You're able to pop the board, drag your front foot, and we even were able to get all 4 wheels and the tail into the air.
Great.
So now you just have to continue practicing those same motions every day.
All right.
At least 10 minutes a day, take your board, go out and practice those motions.
All right.
And by the end of, I don't know, a couple weeks, let's see where you're at.
Gotcha.
So can a beginner learn to ollie on their first day?
Debatable. Depends on who it is.
It's true, that is also true. It depends on who it is. So this trick right here took me 6 months. 6 months of grinding away, really trying. So this is incredible progress. Keep pushing, keep going. And we hope that you guys out there are having an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you out there skating.
Oh yeah.